This is the second year in a row that the White House has held a Juneteenth concert.
Yeah.
And this is the fourth year in a row that we as an entire country will recognize Juneteenth as a federal holiday.
Blessings, children. This should wait for start off the Juneteenth celebration for true. You know who this should be. This should the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and things like that. And from the children, guess where I just celebrate Juneteenth. Okay, y'all ready for this? Look at all the beautiful black gold. Y'all recognize that building in the back? Yes, at this White House, at the White House Juneteenth concert. Boy, it's going to be a blessed time to see them on the children. Thank you, the President and Dr. Barton for inviting me to represent the Gullah Geechee Nation. I done see some of my family being here from the Gullah Geechee Nation and things like that. So it's going to be a blessed time. On the children, if you're there with me, on the going on this year, the what's going on.
Next Wednesday, across our nation, Americans will come together with generations of loved ones to celebrate Juneteenth, to celebrate Black excellence and leadership, culture and community, resilience and resistance, and to remember our nation's history in full. For more than 2 years after the Emancipation Proclamation was signed, as we all know, 2 years after, hundreds of thousands of Americans in Texas were still enslaved. Then Union troops arrived in Galveston, and on June 19, 1865, the enslaved people of Texas learned they were free. On that day, they claimed their freedom. Through the struggles and successes of our history, Black artists like these have put song to our nation's fight for freedom. Through spirituals, blues, and gospel. Through jazz, soul, and hip-hop, artists give voice to the joy and hope, ambition and aspiration, courage and conviction of the people of our nation. And now to introduce our first performer, I welcome back to the stage my friend Roy Wood Jr. Thank you all.
We're going to be reminded that both the history of Juneteenth and the genre of Black music prove that there is nothing our people cannot do.
Right.
Enjoy the show. Amazing gospel artist, Kirk Franklin.
Get up if you want to have a little church with me. Get up on your feet. Come on, let's celebrate. I know your feet ain't tired. Can it be that you love the most unlovable part of me? Put your hands together, y'all. How y'all doing over here? I said, how y'all doing over here? I can't hear you. What's happening over here? What does he do? He said the day he will come through. Come on, say it with me. He won't let us not what superheroes do. Say what you want. No greater love makes my heart beat. For the rest of my life. All I wanna do is make you proud of me. Do this with me. On the grass. Come on, let me see you party on the grass. I need to see some black folk on the grass. Come on. this is some black folk on the grass. It's Juneteenth. And this is some people on the grass. I want to sing.
Even though I hurt, see, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been it for a while.
Come on, y'all.
I smile.
Where my people at?
Smile.
Come on and party.
So hard to look up when you've been down.
I need to see my people.
Show a head to see you give up now.
I need to see my
You
people.
look so much better when you smile. So smile.
Come on. It's Juneteenth. Where my people at?
Today's a new day.
Let's mess this White House grass up.
There is a love.
Yeah.
God is telling us alright.
Let's mess this White House grass up.
I almost gave up
Come on.
the power that I can't explain.
It's the Juneteenth celebration.
From heaven, like the shower now.
Here we go, New York. I just want to see.
So he's living life. He's come to know. He said he's going back to find. What's left of the world we left not so long ago. He's leaving. Oh, and midnight train is over. Yeah, yo, said he's going back to a simpler place and time. Oh, yes, he is. He said he would, and I will with him. Oh, when that midnight train is over. I'd rather live in his world than live without him in mine. Oh Lord, gonna roll the midnight train and go for love. Gonna roll, gotta roll the midnight train and go. Oh Lord, gonna roll, my world, his world, our world, mine and his alone, my world, his world, our world, mine and his alone. I've got to go, I've got to go, I've got to go. Hey, I've got to go, I've got to go. Hey, hey, hey. Don't look good.
I know that's right.
I appreciate your style. And the not much to take to caring but the child. And the way you play home, even when we're living real far. Even as a single girl at home, and still always out somehow. You make the meals mean so loud. I appreciate your strength. How you never bite your lip and say what's on your mind. How you a lady in the street and a freak innocent. How you gon' grind with me, roll with me, tell me what's on your mind. Hey, hey, if you ain't got one, let it shine you well to find a woman. Hey, woman, strong woman, woman, a grown woman. Hey, woman, a special woman. She's a beautiful woman. Strong woman, hey, a grown by their governments and still faced a lot of hardships under the black codes. In response, the federal government instituted Reconstruction. The 13th Amendment made slavery unconstitutional. The 14th Amendment initiated equal rights. The 15th Amendment gave black men the right to vote. Change had been set into motion, but it was still not met without challenges. Racial violence ran rampant across the country, but still black Americans pressed forward. They rolled up their sleeves and got to work building communities, institutions, and culture. Not even a decade out of slavery, newly freed people sued former slaveholders, started the foundation for what we know today as the public school system, and held elected office at numbers and levels that we would not see at that number again until the 1960s. And not just at the state level, we're talking at the U.S. Senate and House. Newly freed men and women created more than 90 institutions for black teachers and black students. We know this network of schools today as HBCUs. From the daily acts of resistance under slavery to the achievements of the Reconstruction Amendment, the legacy of black Americans' resilience and willingness to dream still lives with us today.
It's your very first kiss in the driveway. It's the party that you almost missed. It's the mixtape when your poor young heart breaks. It's the memory you can't forget. Playing in the background takes you to the fire road. Says it better than you'd say yourself. The high and low feelings, everything between them, everything you've ever felt. Makes you wanna be fancy like Reba, a queen like Aretha, and love like Johnny and June. Get mad like Alanis, scream like Janet, do it all like Dolly would do. Yeah, it's more than a 3-minute listen when the radio's on. It's bigger than the sound.
How y'all doing this evening? Woke up this morning, found a letter that she wrote. She said she's tired, that I'm always on the road. Too hard to swallow, being all alone. She needs someone that night that she get home. She must have told me 1,000 times more. Silent cries I used to ignore. God knows I love her, didn't mean to hurt her. Waiting on you, baby. And I'll be by your side, oh, and to love you and to be with you for life. Come on, baby, to me, shine. Sometimes say I cry. Charlie, if you're listening, could you call on me? Cause my heart is aching. You call me. Say about me, baby. In our heart is a house for love. And I learn. That it don't take much to break my heart.
everybody. My name is Makai Curtis. I'm an actor. We at the White House. We celebrate Juneteenth. This is crazy. This is an honor. I'm excited to be here. I'm honored to bring up your next guest. This is my TV mother, Miss Fatina Miller.
Them that God shall help, them that not shall lose. So the Bible says, and it still is news. Mama made, Papa made, but God bless the child who got his own,
You want to rock? You just rock with me. Come on, this is blessed.
Waking up, thanking God. Every day is feeling just like Sunday. Wifey fly by my side. Green light, everything is going my way. Riding clean, living dreams. Just left the barber and I'm feeling like Midas. Heard him say, give him praise. What's in the water got you acting like this? Ain't a day gone by that I don't try to thank the Lord up above. And if you wonder why I'm loving life, come close and I'll tell you what's up. Ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed, yes. Living every moment, no regrets. Smile up on my face, I'm like, oh, yes, I'm blessed, yes, I'm blessed, yes. Ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed, yes. Living every moment, no regrets. Smile up on my face, I'm like, oh, yes, I'm blessed.
Everybody in the house, say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm blessed, I'm blessed.
I'm blessed, I'm blessed.
Say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do it one more time. Say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm blessed, I'm blessed.
I'm blessed, I'm blessed.
Say, oh
yeah.
My name is Charlie. Last name Wilson. And I'm still the lead singer of the Gap Band. We sold millions of records. And I went from rags to riches. Riches to rags. My first rodeo on the White House lawn. And I want to thank the Bidens and the Vice President for being such a fan. I feel like shouting this morning. I feel like shouting. Get your shout on.
the important lessons tonight we've been able to tell through storytelling. And it is my pleasure to bring to the stage 3 storytellers who are going to do just that tonight. These legendary storytellers help to keep our stories alive. To kick it off, we got to give it up to somebody that's always helping us to keep rising to the top. Please welcome to the stage renowned rapper, producer, and beatboxer, Brother Dougie Fresh.
Say it's an honor to be here at the White House. Now I could go old school and say, clap your hands, everybody. And everybody, clap your hands to the people on this side. Clap your hands to the people right here. Clap your hands to the people up top. Clap your hands. Watch this. Now, ain't no party like a Juneteenth party, cause a Juneteenth party don't stop. Help me out, y'all.
Ain't no party like a Juneteenth party, cause a Juneteenth party don't stop.
I think they ready. How many of y'all ready to celebrate right now? Here we go. When I say June, you say teen. June. June. What? We gonna rise to the top. Check it out. Come on. DC, where you at? Just last week I got the invitation. Come on to the Juneteenth ball. Arrows united. Honey's excited. I was delighted because I was invited. It was announced on the radio. I heard through speakers. The hoodies, hot gas boots, and sneakers. Cause ain't no party like a Juneteenth party. Juneteenth party don't stop. Help me out.
Ain't no party like a Juneteenth party, cause a Juneteenth party don't stop.
DC, where you at? Are you ready? Hey, party with a purpose, y'all. How many of y'all know this is a party with a purpose? If you know this is a party with a purpose, put your hand in the air as we celebrate for the second year. For tonight, on this every night, you're about to hear we swear. The best celebration of the year. Cheerios, Free Bravo. If you love Juneteenth, say hey. Hey, yo, Gus. If you can't put the light on your phone as the sun goes down, and each light that you light represent our ancestors, all the people that went through the struggle to be right here. And I want to thank the president and the vice president for making this dream a reality. And it's time to celebrate. Here we go. Put your lights in the air, y'all. For everyone that ain't here. Put your light up for Opal. Put them up in the air. DC, where you at? New York, where you at? DC, where you at? Put them up in the air. White lights is here. And ladies and gentlemen, Juneteenth is our birthday. Are you ready? Y'all ready? I see somebody dancing. 1, 2, 3. Somebody shine a light on them. Go ahead there. Shine a light on them. Let me see you shine a light on them. Up top, shine a light on them. In the middle, shine a light on them. Shine a light on them. Shine a light on them. Ladies and gentlemen, I always wanted to dance with one woman in the world, Maxine Waters. Beautiful. Maxine Waters, baby. Come on. Hey up. Somebody shine a light on them. Shine a light on them. Listen, all the lights, all the cell phones flashing at you. Remember when the people used to walk right past you? Now they got questions, they dying to ask you. Who you with, what you got, and where's your cash? So it's your all real crew, doing what you do, baby girl. You know I'm not mad at you. While some spectate, others want to hate Stevie Wonder. I'ma celebrate Juneteenth to ya. Juneteenth to ya. Change it. Here we go, y'all. Juneteenth to ya. Come on. Before I go, when I say June, y'all say teen. June. June. When I say June, y'all say teen. June. June. See y'all later.